Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel and please subscribe my YouTube channel. If you have any query then comment in comment box. And our today topic is Big Data Specialization course number 2, all week quiz answer and assignment also. एंड जो मेरी पिछली वीडियो थी उसमें मैंने इंट्रोडक्शन टू बिग डेटा कोर्स नंबर 1 के सभी क्विज आंसर और असाइनमेंट के बारे में डिस्कस किया था। उसका लिंक मैं डिस्क्रिप्शन लिस्ट में डाल दूंगा। इंट्रोडक्शन टू बिग डेटा इस कोर्स के मैंने क्विज आंसर एंड असाइनमेंट को डिस्कस किया था, जो कि मैं जिसका लिंक मैं डिस्क्रिप्शन लिस्ट में डाल दूंगा। एंड नाउ वी विल डिस्कस बिग डेटा मॉडलिंग एंड मैनेजमेंट सिस्टम, and this is a big data modeling and management system. And the week one have no quiz, then we directly go to week 2. In the week 2 have one quiz, practical quiz of week 2, hands on Coursera. And the first question answer is 20,000 and the second question answer is Niobrara and the third question answer is, सॉरी यार मैं भूल गया था इस क्वेश्चन को लगाना। अगर आपको ये आंसर पता हो तो कमेंट कर देना कमेंट बॉक्स में। एंड द क्वेश्चन नंबर फोर्थ आंसर इज 60 एंड द क्वेश्चन नंबर फिफ्थ इज RC. The question number 6th answer is 163, 118 and 79. And the question number 7th answer is land. And the question number 8th answer is user / follower underscore count. And the question number 9th answer is symbol and URL. This is the last question answer and user mention. And now we will discuss week 3 big data modeling and management system, week 3 quiz answer. And in this week 3 have only one part, data models quiz. And the first question answer is Excel does not enforce many principles of relational data models. And the question number 2 answer is one unit of information that cannot be decomposed. And the question number 3rd answer is find the best possible path given two or more optimization criteria where neither constraint can be fully optimized simultaneously. और सबसे लास्ट में मैं इसकी क्विज की असाइनमेंट बताऊंगा। अगर आपको उसकी PDF चाहिए तो कमेंट बॉक्स में कमेंट करना। एंड द क्वेश्चन नंबर 4th आंसर इज ए dense amount of edge connection between nodes in a community and a few connection across community. And the question number 5th answer is tree takes advantage of the parent child relationship of the data for easy navigation. And the question number 6th answer is results can be ordered by similarity using vector projection. And the question number 7th answer is union. And the question number 8th answer is account number should be unique. Account number should be unique. And the question number 9th answer is yes, the data has structure because we have placed a structural constant on the data, thus the data will always have the original defined structure. This is the question number 9th answer. Data models quiz week 3 answer. And now we will go to week 4 quiz answer, big data modeling and management system. The week 4 have one quiz is data format and streaming data quiz. And the question number first answer is the data does not necessarily need to be formatted in a way that represent the data model just so long as it can be extrapolated. And the question number 2 answer is utilizing real-time data to compute and change the state of an application continuously. And the question number 3rd answer is independent computation that do not rely on previous or future data. And second is data manipulation is near real time and small time windows for working with data, and also does not ping the source interactively for a response upon receiving the data. Now question number fourth answer is data is unbounded in size but requires only finite time and space to process it. And the question number fifth answer is fast and simple. Question number sixth answer is a method to process streaming data by utilizing batch processing and real-time processing. And the question number seventh answer is the size and frequency of the streaming data may be sporadic. And the question number eighth answer is data takes house raw data warehouse contain pre-formatted data. And the question number ninth answer is and इसका आंसर मैं कमेंट बॉक्स में डाल दूंगा. And now we will discuss week 5 quiz answer of big data modeling and management system. And the week 5, go to the week 5, and the week 5 have BDMS quiz. And the first question answer is support for common big data types, a fully query language, a flexible semi-structured data model, and continuous data ingestion. And the question number second answer is it is impossible to have consistency, availability, and partition tolerance. And the third answer is to impose properties on a BDMS in order to guarantee certain result. And the question number fourth answer is a compressed list is stored within the value of the database. And the question number fifth answer is support for geospatial data storage and geospatial queries. And the question number sixth answer is Aerospike. Answer is Aerospike. And the question number seventh answer is Solar, SOLR. And the question number eighth answer is lists, string, and hashes, and also sorted sets. This is the week 4 quiz answer of big data modeling and management system. Sorry, this is the week 5 quiz answer, and now we will discuss week 6 quiz answer. And week 6 have no quiz in this, only have assignment, peer graded assignment. Design a data model for catch the pink flamingo. And this is the data: user ID, username, joining date, date of birth, teams, and review criteria. The first is designing the data required to run the game. Second is keep track of what is going on when people are actually playing the game. And the third is analyzing how people played past games so that we can improve the way the game is played, and so on. And now we will discuss submission of peer graded assignment. And this is the answer of this question. Click point coordinates 4825 and 1743. भाई जो इस असाइनमेंट का जो आंसर है फ्रेंड्स, द आंसर इज दिस: यूजर आईडी, लॉन्ग, सेशन आईडी, टाइम stamp, date, time, click points, coordinate, mission ID. And this is the answer of this assignment. Primary key are used and session ID. There are no foreign key mission ID that points on the mission table. And सारी जितनी भी ये ऊपर वाली क्वेरी है सारी इसमें फिल है. And this is the answer of this assignment. And this is also an answer of this assignment. Game level, root, game level, mission, grid size, mission, flamingo ID, num, mission, flamingo type, flamingo subtype, flamingo property, flamingo property, and these are root. And please, yeah, please subscribe my YouTube channel and like the video. And if you want this PDF in your PC, then comment in comment box. I will send your in your Gmail ID this assignment.